Making money online is no longer a pipe dream. In fact, there are many ways to make a steady income from the comfort of your own home, and one of the simplest and most reliable methods is to log in every day and make an easy $100 or more. This may sound too good to be true, but it's not. This video will outline the best way to make online money by logging in daily and completing simple tasks, so watch on to find out how you can start making some extra cash today. There are many ways to make money online, but not all of them are created equal. In addition, some methods are more time consuming than others, and some can be quite risky. But the method we're going to outline here is neither of those things. In fact, it's one of the easiest and most reliable ways to make money online. So if you're looking for a simple way to boost your income, then this is it. All you need to do is log in to some apps or websites each day and complete simple tasks. These can be anything from watching videos and taking surveys to playing games and clicking on ads. And each task will usually only take a few minutes to complete. But don't worry, you won't be stuck doing the same thing every day. Instead, the tasks will vary, so you'll never get bored. Number 3. App Nana. On this app, App Nana, you can earn points by watching videos, by playing games, and doing several other different things. All you need to do is install the available app for Android and iPhone users. And by doing so, you can earn points that you can redeem later on reaching a specific limit. Until now, the users have earned about $10 million with this app, which is a remarkable achievement. This app also hosts an affiliate or a referral program where the qualified applicants or the users like us make around $300 a day. Well, this is again remarkable to make about $300 a day. So if you want more information about its referral program, you can visit the app on scrolling to the bottom. You can choose the referral program option, availing all the information required. Number 2. Feature Points. It is a website and an app that can help you earn money by several different methods, like taking surveys, earning cashback, playing games, and more. Of course, these are convertible to any gift card for Amazon, Walmart, etc. But most of us consider watching videos rather than playing games, surveys, or other things as they're interesting. So talking about the website on top of it, you will see a PayPal logo. That means they will pay you via PayPal. And on the top right corner are the points you will earn, your profile logo, and the referrals you have. Now, how will you proceed to earn? All you have to do is set up an account with your Gmail or Facebook login details. You can now earn when the PayPal logo with a bar reaches 100%, which means you get qualified for doing so, and on reaching that point, you can cash out any amount you want. You can even manage the selection of the amount you want to cash out from $5, $10, $25, up to $500 at a time. Once you earn points, you can explore the offers section, providing you several offers like Peanut Labs, AD Gem, and more. These offers allow you to watch videos and advertisements of all types, helping you earn more points. They even mention to you how much you can earn, like up to $2,500 and $3,000, etc. You can earn points by referring your friends, which is quite a common feature of several apps and websites. The referring earning is like when you refer to people, you will earn 25% of what they earn. And if you refer these 3 people, you will earn 50% of their earnings. So there is no limit to how many people you refer to or how many points you earn. You can also try some free apps by installing them and by watching videos on your phone available on the Feature Points app. Number 1. App Trailers. Another app that is useful for you guys to make more money online watching videos is App Trailers, but this app is available only in the United States. So if you are out of the US, then you can explore other apps like this on the Play Store. Why not iOS? This app is available for Android users only, so you can install it by going to the Play Store. After downloading, you need to log into an account of yours, click on the Watch Videos, and you are all set to earn points. You can earn as many points as you want, and it will depend on how many videos you have watched. You can cash that points out as get gift cards of Amazon, PayPal, Target, Walmart, and many other stores like this. A captivating tip you can use is to install the app in your family or friends' mobile phones with your account so that whenever they watch videos or complete tasks, you can earn points. Isn't it cool to use it like this? So, if you want other apps to earn money, keep watching as we will reveal the 2 best apps to use. This is a great way to make some extra money, and it's also very easy to do. Just be sure to set aside some time each day to log in and complete the tasks. This method can easily make hundreds of dollars per month with little effort. So, what are you waiting for? Log in today and start making some easy money. Make sure to let us know your views in the comments section below. Until the next video, stay tuned and subscribe for more.